Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Chava picture. First, let's prepare our workspace. You will need a few basic art supplies, some drawing paper, a couple of pencils with different lead hardness, and a good eraser. Finding a clear reference image, perhaps of a lion cub, will greatly assist you. Remember, every complex drawing begins with simple shapes, so we will focus on those first. Now, let's start sketching the basic form. Lightly draw a large circle for the head and an oval for the body. Think about how these two main shapes connect and their relative sizes to ensure good proportions. Add a few light guide lines across the head to help position the eyes, nose, and mouth later. These initial shapes are like the skeleton of your drawing, providing a solid foundation. With the basic structure in place, it is time to add the finer details. Focus on the facial features, giving your Chava expressive eyes, a distinct nose, and a gentle mouth. For the fur or mane, use many short, overlapping strokes to create a soft, textured appearance. Gradually refine the main outlines of the body and limbs, making them flow smoothly and appear more natural. To bring your Chava picture to life, we will now add shading. Use your pencil to create areas of light and shadow, giving your drawing a three-dimensional quality. Vary your pencil pressure to achieve a range of tones, from very light grays to deep, dark areas. Finally, carefully erase all your initial guidelines and any smudges to present a clean, polished piece of artwork.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.